Hi, I'm Kel from KR1 and we're here with Itamar from Argent. So nice to have you here, Itamar. Most people have real problems losing their seed phrase or losing their keys. How is Argent going to solve any of those problems?
Thanks, Cal. So Argent really is a new generation of Ethereum wallet, and we're looking at the friction across the entire user experience. And we started really with the seed phrase. So with Argent, you don't have to back up your seed phrase anymore. Yet it stays fully decentralized. And what we did is creating a system of guardians where other users or other keys can take some actions on your wallet. Like you lose your card with your bank, you call your bank, you freeze your wallet, you freeze your card, get a new card. Guardians help you do the same. So you can freeze your wallet, you can recover your wallet. Guardians can be friends, family, but it can be yourself with a hardware wallet. If you have a lot of money, it can be several other hardware wallets. So a very flexible and modular system.
Very cool, very cool. I've seen the interface, looks beautiful, by the way. So are you going to start off with Ether, Bitcoin? What kind of crypto can you store in it?
So the vision behind Argent goes beyond owning assets and trading assets. You can do that, but our vision is really enabling a new decentralized internet. And we see the wallet as a building blocks, a core building block to that new internet that will enable permissionless innovation with really payment asset value embedded in the protocol. Which brought us naturally to Ethereum. So Ethereum is really our core focus now. So whether it's ETH or all the assets within the Ethereum ecosystem, if it happens on Ethereum, you can manage and do it with Argent.
That's great. And so we're in kind of end of February now. Where are you in the whole cycle? And we're kind of interested when you're going to launch because we want to use it. So we'd be interested to find out what plans you have.
Yeah, so iOS, so we are a mobile product, so I didn't mention that, but Argent is really a mobile wallet. It sits on your phone, yet it's super secure. You can lose your private key and still recover your funds. Someone can access your private key, can really access the wallet, and yet they won't be able to drain your accounts because you can have daily limits, you can have trusted contacts, extremely secure and simple experience. So it's live on iOS. We are starting to whitelist people, so we had a waiting list of several thousand people. We are going through that waitlist as fast as we can. Android, which is why you are still waiting, Android should be live in April.
Right, interesting. I've got one last question. Are you doing reversible transactions, or is that just something I dreamt of last night? If I send some crypto to you, if I send it by error,
No, so today you might have dreamt it. So what thing we do is you have a system of daily limit in your wallet. So if someone or you try to make a very large transfer to an address you didn't trust, you didn't whitelist that as a trusted address, automatically the smart contract will delay that transfer by 24 hours. Okay. And then you can, of course, cancel, recover, make sure you didn't lose that money. Yeah. Reversible transaction is something we have talked about in the past. We see that as just one module amongst others. So we have a very modular wallet, and with time we'll add more modules and user will be able to decide whether they enable it or not. And yes, we have had this idea of reversible transactions, but we're still looking at the right use case.
Okay. That's great. Well, we're really excited about your product, all going to use it, and just want to thank you for coming tonight, and really good luck with the project.
Thanks, Kel, for having me.
Cool.